Hey traders, this is Ron. Hope you guys had a great day. As always, nothing in this presentation shall constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Trading stocks and options involves risk and specific financial issues shall always be addressed to your financial advisor. The S&P was up 1.4% today, sort of on cue. Remember yesterday I said these green Bollinger Bands, we get outside of those by a full candle. That is so oversold, we should probably see a bounce or an inside day. That's exactly what happened today. It was a bounce and it was an inside day. We could not close above yesterday's open, which was 288.09. I know it's only 29 cents away, but we didn't do it. If we close above yesterday's close, then we would target the 50-day moving average in orange, which is pretty much right where the gap down from Friday occurred. That little bit of confluence. If we get up there, we can't get above it, and we close lower on the day. That is a bad omen for the bulls. That would instantly put the 200-day moving average in purple, that other institutional moving average, as the probability target from a technical perspective, the high probability target. If tomorrow turns out to be a bad day and we close below Monday's low, instantly the 200-day becomes the target. My point here is the trend is still down. Don't get fooled by today from a technical perspective. Bears are still in charge. So I'll keep you guys updated in the nightly videos. 8 out of 10 stocks typically follow major averages, so we're not going to do a lot of stocks tonight just because we have to wait and see how this shakes out. How about the diamonds, the DIA? They were up 1.24%, completely an inside day. They closed the highs of the day, which is positive, but they could not get above yesterday's open. If they were to get above yesterday's open, let's say tomorrow or maybe Wednesday, target 50-day, just like the spiders. If we close below yesterday's low, closing low, boom, 200 days target. And if we get below a 200 day, that is when things could get ugly because we would lose two major moving averages on the daily charts. How about the tech land? How about the Qs? Up 1.4%. If I zoom in a little closer, they also could not get outside that candle. Therefore, today, completely an inside day. This is not a sign of a bottom yet. 50 days target on the upside. Downside, we get below Monday's closing low. We go down here from a technical perspective. Look at IWM. The Russell was only up 0.92%, but again, completely inside day here. And the 200 days right there, that could act as resistance too. So this one still is looking the worst. If I take a look at VIX, the VIX, inside profit charts. And I had a question about profit charts. I still have access to profit charts. I think there's some, apparently some of you guys don't. I really don't know what to tell you other than I still have it. And when they take it away, I'm bouncing to TradeStation. So I do not like their regular charts. Now, VIX down nearly 18%. We are back inside the green line, the upper Bollinger Band. What does that mean? From the VIX perspective, the overbought, the exuberance is gone. We're now back inside what they would call a normal level, which means we can go right back up. There's no more overbought. This is not necessarily good for equities. If we see another crash in the VIX tomorrow, that'll look a little better for equities because a lower VIX typically means higher market. But again, keep in mind, the overbought condition has been resolved. Now we got to see what happens next. If we take a look at gold, gold had a nice pop today, 0.81%. Volume was so-so, but we continue to break out. This is bullish. The laggard is silver, and it's a bit of a, I don't want to say bearish divergence, but it sort of is. It just can't follow along. This is a drag. This is telling us that, wow, gold's getting higher and silver's not coming along. Be careful on how long this rally might last. And then if we look at bonds, TLT, they also had a nice day. They're breaking out, but now we have 4 straight closes outside that upper Bollinger Band. We should probably see a reversion to the mean here coming pretty quickly. So that's it. Nice short video. Bears still have the edge. Please be careful. Technically, we are still moving lower. Yes, there was a bounce, but it was an inside day. All it did was resolve the oversold condition on the daily charts. I hope this helps. Wish you guys all the best, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Take care.